Hello guys, in this video, I and my team will talk about copper sulfate in medicine. What is copper sulfate? Copper sulfate is an inorganic compound that combines copper and sulfate, known as blue stone or blue Vithra for its blue color. In its solid, is crystal-shaped stone form. The properties of copper sulfate. It is known by formula CuSO4. The molar is 159.609 G per mole. The iodine identification is copper to sulfate. It has melting point of 110 degrees Celsius. The density is 3.6 G per cm3, and they are soluble in water.
What are the uses of copper to sulfate? First of all, copper to sulfate can function in the destruction of algal blooms in residuals and chemicals. Algal blooms can cause ecological imbalance. Therefore, copper to sulfate is used to solve this problem, as the copper in the copper to sulfate can bind to the proteins in the algae and damages the cells. Copper to sulfate can function to prevent the spread of athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that grows in between the toes, usually in warm climate. Besides that, copper to sulfate can be useful in controlling bilharzia disease. Bilharzia disease is caused by parasitic worms transmitted by water snail. Copper to sulfate can act as a monocyclide, which is known as snail baits, to reduce the population of the snails that become the host for the parasitic worms that causes the disease. Next, copper to sulfate can also prevent malaria, where the extract of copper to sulfate, which is called the Paris green, can be used against the vector of the disease, which is the mosquito larvae. Lastly, copper to sulfate can also be useful in pharmaceutical applications, for example, as a raw material in the manufacture of copper catalysts.
So, next is the side effect of copper to sulfate. We have to handle copper to sulfate with care because there is some possible side effect that can harm our health. First, if copper to sulfate absorbed through the skin or eyes, copper to sulfate may cause a burning and stinging sensation. This could result in itching, eczema, conjunctivitis, inflammation, fluid build-up or corneal irritation if it exposed to the eyes. If someone consumes copper to sulfate and they do not vomit, they could be at risk of copper to sulfate poisoning. So, the signs of copper to sulfate poisoning include they will get burning sensation in the chest or abdomen, or a metallic taste in the mouth, nausea, headache, or diarrhea, which may have a blue or green color to it from the compound's hue, or they will get excessive sweating.